Hi everyone, welcome to Flow with Nicole. Today's topic is centered on a secret proposal. As usual, I'll start by reading a short journal and then we'll go over 10 key vocabulary words together. Let's begin. 今日係一個好特別嘅日子，因為妹妹嘅伴侶同佢求婚，呢個驚喜我哋已經籌備咗幾個月。我同妹妹平時無話不談，所以要保守呢個秘密真係好難。求婚完咗之後，佢哋即刻開始討論度蜜月嘅地點。我突然諗起好多年前，有一位算命師話，妹妹以後會同一位姓陳嘅人結婚，而佢嘅未婚夫就係姓陳。哇，真係命中注定。我好慶幸可以見證佢哋嘅感情進入人生嘅另一個階段。The keywords you'll be learning in this lesson are 特別、伴侶、驚喜、秘密、無話不談、度蜜月、算命師、未婚夫、命中注定、見證。Now let's go through the keywords from the journal. First, 特別，特別。It means special. 今日係一個好特別嘅日子。Today is a very special day. Next, 伴侶，伴侶。This is the word for partner. 妹妹嘅伴侶同佢求婚。My younger sister's partner proposed to her. After that, 驚喜，驚喜 which means surprise. 呢個驚喜已經籌備咗幾個月。This surprise has been planned for several months. Let's continue with 無話不談，無話不談。It means to tell one another everything. 我同妹妹無話不談。My sister and I talk about everything. Let's look at 秘密，秘密。This word means secret. 我覺得保守秘密好難。I think it's very hard to keep a secret. Then we have 度蜜月，度蜜月。This is the term for to go on a honeymoon. 佢哋討論去邊度度蜜月。They're discussing where to go for their honeymoon. Moving on. 算命師，算命師。This refers to fortune teller. 算命師話妹妹會同陳先生結婚。The fortune teller said my sister would marry a man with the last name Chen. Up next, 命中注定，命中注定。This is the word for destined. 妹妹同佢嘅伴侶係命中注定。My sister and her partner are meant to be. Next vocab is 未婚夫，未婚夫。It means fiancé. 妹妹嘅未婚夫係姓陳嘅。My sister fiancé has the last name Chen. Finally, 見證，見證 which means to witness. 我好慶幸可以見證佢哋嘅感情進入人生嘅另一個階段。I feel very fortunate to witness their relationship entering another stage of life. Let's quickly review the keywords we covered today. Please repeat after me. 特別 special 伴侶 partner 驚喜 surprise 秘密 secret 無話不談 to tell one another everything 度蜜月 to go on a honeymoon 算命師 fortune teller 未婚夫 fiancé 命中注定 destined 見證 to witness. Before we wrap up, let's do a quick listening quiz. The answers are the keywords we just learned. First question. 今日係一個點樣嘅日子? What kind of day is today? The answer is 特別 special. Second question. 邊個同妹妹求婚? Who proposed to my sister? The answer is 伴侶 partner. Third question. 呢個求婚對妹妹嚟講係咩？ What is this proposal to my sister? The answer is 驚喜 surprise. Moving on. 我覺得保守咩好難。What do I think is difficult to keep? The answer is 秘密 secret. Next question. 我同妹妹嘅關係點？ What is my relationship with my sister like? The answer is 無話不談 to tell one another everything. Let's try this one. 求婚完咗之後，佢哋討論咩？ What did they discuss after the proposal? The answer is 度蜜月 to go on a honeymoon. Up next. 邊個同妹妹講佢會同姓陳嘅人結婚？ Who told my sister that she would marry someone with the last name Chen? The answer is 算命師 fortune teller. Moving on. 陳先生係妹妹嘅邊個？ Who is Mr. Chen to my sister? The answer is 未婚夫 fiancé. Next question. 我點樣形容妹妹同佢伴侶嘅關係？ How do I describe my sister and her partner's relationship? The answer is 命中注定 destined. Final question. 我好慶幸可以做咩？ What do I feel fortunate to do? The answer is 見證 to witness. That's it for today's lesson. Don't forget to check the description for the downloadable notes so you can study all the vocabulary we learned today. Thanks for tuning in and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!